Hey everybody, it's Bobby, and I've got a great recipe that you're really gonna love. It's a very simple, layered Mexican dish. It's like a layered salad. It's gonna be meatless. You can do this a couple of different ways. This is my version of it today, okay? So I'm gonna start with a casserole dish here, and to that I'm gonna put my layers, and my layers are going to be bean dip. I've got 3 fresh avocados here that I mashed with some lemon juice, a little garlic salt, just a pinch, and a little bit of hot sauce. And I'm gonna mix together sour cream, mayonnaise, taco seasoning. Those are gonna be our layers. And then to that, we're just gonna add some of our favorites, the picante sauce, black olives, tomatoes, onions, and cheese. You could change this any way you want to. There's no rules. So you make what you want at home. Just use this as a template for it, okay? So I've already mashed up my avocados, and I'll begin with my first layer. These things are all individually delicious. I don't need a lot of bean dip. I don't need a lot of sour cream and mayonnaise. But I could sit down with a spoon and do some damage to every component of this dish. And we're going to be testing the limits on the volume of this dish, I think. So first layer is the bean dip. This is going to be an overflowing deliciousness. But you know what? Not for long. As soon as people see it, because I'm taking this to a little party, as soon as folks see it, it's going to get low. All right, mayonnaise, sour cream, and taco seasoning. Quite a combination right there. And I've got a pretty shallow bowl, so I'm gonna try not to make a mess. Our mayonnaise, sour cream, and taco seasoning mixture is together. And now let's just start layering. Beautiful avocados, they look perfectly right. So we'll go brown and green, because you want to make sure after all that it looks pretty, right? My mom's always said, you eat with your eyes first. I know I do. All right, get a little rubber spatch of butter, y'all. Okay. So bean dip, avocado. Oh boy. I know this is going to be good. This is like making art.
It's going to be destroyed quickly.
Yeah, it is. Right. It's not going to last very long. But it looks very, very nice. Okay, so bean dip, avocado. Now to that we will add our sour cream, mayonnaise, and taco seasoning mixture. Now you could use a big, wide, shallow bowl, or you could use like a 9x12 casserole dish, whatever. I chose to go with this one because it's the size I wanted, and it's pretty. You can see the layers in the glass bowl. From the side, you'll be able to see them real nice. Gonna need some stout chips. Okay, that looks super great. Now we'll add some picante to the top. Mm-hmm. I was hoping not to have to spread it, but it looks like I'm gonna have to. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Ooh, that smells so robust. Looking good. Looking good. Okay. To that we will add some tomatoes. Mm-hmm. Now if you wanted to put some lettuce on here, you could. Some shredded lettuce would be good. Maybe just some iceberg. Just for a little color and a little crunch. I'm not doing that. Some tomatoes. Onions. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna go kind of light on the onions. And heavier on the black olives. Ooh, who likes black olives? I do. Oh boy, so pretty. Love these colors together. These flavors, so fresh. Oh yeah. To that we will add some cheese. A little sharp cheddar. If my mom was standing here right now, she would add a dollop of sour cream more right on the top, I think.
Don't be chintzy on the cheese, Bobby.
Okay, well, I got two kinds of cheese. And our bowl overfloweth here. Yeah. A little bit of Monterey Jack.
So good.
It does look good. Oh boy, does that look nice. And that is all you need. If you'd like to add some jalapenos to the top, you could. A little more cheese, a little more of this, a little less of that. Whatever you want to do, you can. No rules, just right. And it's la hora de fiesta. Happy Cinco de Mayo.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.